Just wanted to do a quick before and after cold start on a resonator delete for a 2015 3.5 Ecoboost. So I'll go ahead and do the cold start. That's the resonator delete I'm putting on. Just wanted to do something that I could take off if I wanted to put it back to stock or go to sell the truck or something like that. But yeah, I'll do a quick crank stock and then do another one once I get this Joker put on. So here's the OEM resonator in place, cold start. So I got the old one out. It was pretty easy. The main thing is, it's just a 6-year-old truck at this point. So, things were in there pretty tight and took a little bit of elbow grease to get them out, but got them both side by side and about to throw the new one in. All right, so I got the resonator delete thrown on there now. So I'm gonna do a cold start with the resonator delete on. Just wanted to give a quick update on the driving impressions after installing the resonator delete. Cold start sounds awesome. When that thing fires up, you can really hear it kind of growling over the stock exhaust for sure. Honestly, with the windows up and the air conditioner on when you're driving around, you really can't tell a difference, which is really what I wanted. I wanted something to be more subtle. With the aftermarket catbacks out there, I just don't love the exhaust note of the EcoBoost. The EcoBoost is an absolute beast of the motor, but I think when you put an aftermarket catback on there, it just sounds almost like a turbocharged sedan to me. So with this, I think you get a little bit more aggressiveness without kind of getting into that territory. In the future, I may decide to upgrade. I think with this engine, I think the best thing is to either go full on, the whole 9 yards, turbo adapters, downpipes, and full exhaust, and they sound sick like that to me, or just stick with the stock exhaust with the resonator delete if you want something just a little bit more aggressive. But overall, I really, really love it, and I'm happy with it for sure.